Do you have a little one that loves exploring? Do they get into those areas you wish they wouldn't? Make a cabinet lock with lock laces and keep that curious kiddo safe. All you'll need is one lace, one lock, and one cord clip. Thread the ends of the lace through the two eyelets on the lock and pull tight like so. Next, you will take the end of the lace that was threaded through the right eyelet and run it back through the opposite eyelet on the left. Pull your lace through until you have a loop that is around 2 inches in length. Repeat this step by taking the lace end from the left eyelet and running it back through the right. This will create your second loop. Cut the excess lace about 1 inch from the lock. Thread the loose ends through the back of the cord clip and close the clip. Slide your 2 loops over your cabinet knobs, squeeze the lock, and pull to tighten. Grab a pick your own 5-pack to lock all your cabinets up tight, and choose from our many colors to match your style. Also great for shoes.